With AI, you don't have to spend hours creating posts. TaskWork AI makes your content in seconds. It saves you time, helps your business grow faster, and makes social media fun again. With AI, you don't have to spend hours creating posts. TaskWork AI makes your content in seconds. It saves you time, helps your business grow faster, and makes social media fun again. TaskWork AI schedules it for you and even publishes it across all your accounts automatically. And that's how TaskWork AI makes social media super simple.
I know most times and sometimes it's very difficult for business managers and entrepreneurs to grow their social media audience while they are handling the back end of their business as well. It can be very tedious and very tiring and stressful, whereby you need to constantly engage your customers or your audience with new content daily while you're managing your business as well. So that's why we created this AI social media content creator and publisher. It's very easy to use, it's very unique, and it works 247 depending on how many contents you want to create. It can create content for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X. It can create content for TikTok, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp as well. If you wish to go for, should I say, one content daily or 5 contents daily, making it example 30 contents in a month as well, you can definitely go for that. It's very easy to use, and within some few steps, like 3 to 4 clicks, your contents have been created. Before it publishes, it gives you an opportunity to review the content to make sure that it fits what you want. Then if you accept the content, then you can upload it and just click publish, and it will publish to your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, X, and YouTube as well. You can also go manually, whereby when you finish creating your content, you just upload to the system and publish it, and it's automatically published to all the social media platforms that you're engaged in or that you're using. This AI automation system can also be connected to your website, whereby you also want your content to reflect on your website too. On your landing page, you can integrate it with your website so that whereby when it uploads on other social media platforms, it also uploads on your website. It creates like a page or like a blog page, and just a single blog video page on your website concerning the content you're creating. Whether it's posts, whether it's reels, whether it's stories, on all platforms, this AI automation system is capable of handling that for you. So no more stress for business managers, no more stress for entrepreneurs, because AI has come to, should I say, solve the problem and ease our stress. This system works with the likes of VO3, that's Google VO3. It works with the likes of Leonardo AI. It works with the likes of Hallyu AI. It works with ChatGPT, Cloud. It also works with Perplexity, and it works with so many other platforms to make this possible, to achieve this. So without wasting time, let me show you how this works. Let me give you an example using our own social media platform. I'll be using this automation system now to create an example for you, and I'll show you how it works. So let me show you how the social media automation works. This is the system. It's not that complicating. So let me just go through the system, then I'll show you how to get started. These are the channels, all your social media channels. These are your accounts. You can add more than one account. This is where you can add the content. This is where you can add a new channel in case you make an example. You want to add maybe Threads or LinkedIn. Okay, I already have LinkedIn. You can add them through here. If you want to add a new account, maybe for another business, you can add them here. These are your contents, all the contents you've created. They'll be here. You'll see the ones that are still drafting, the scheduled ones and the published ones. It all has the tabs where you can view everything. This is the progress of each content, maybe published, maybe still drafting, maybe scheduled. This is recently edited. The most recent ones you've made, it will appear here. And this is the calendar timeline to should I say display the dates and the actual day and time when you uploaded, or should I say publish the content. So let's go in straight up without wasting no time. So after we've set up the channels and the accounts, so I'll just go and add content. Yeah, it opens this. So content, we have to give the content a name. So what will I say? So I've actually trained this automation on my business, so it knows that it's working on behalf of TaskWork AI. in case of your own system, we have to build it in a way whereby it's trained for your business, so that it knows that it's working just for this business. It doesn't do anything off the business. So what I will basically do is I'll type in, this is the name of the content. I'll type in, okay, the benefits of social media automations for businesses. Let me say that. So I go here, I select the account. In case you have multiple accounts, they'll all display here, but as you can see, it's TaskWork AI, because this one is just for my for the company. TaskWork AI. I select the account. If you have maybe a blog or anything that you're making use of, you can select as well. Something just happened. Let me go back now. Okay, TaskWork AI has been selected. I double clicked it, so it took me to another page. So the channels, again, okay, TaskWork AI. So the channels, I'll select the channels. Let me just go for Instagram, LinkedIn, let me say Facebook. Let me just leave them, but you can go for all the platforms if you wish. Okay, status to idea, so that the idea we have the idea drafting, scheduled, and published. I think you can understand that the idea is that you're still creating. It's just an idea. Type, let's say text and video. You can choose reels or stories, but I will go for text and videos. Tune, let's say professional. Create content for Facebook, Instagram. So if you have like, should I say, an image that you want to use as a reference for the AI, so it can use that image as a reference to create your content. You can upload it here. If you have any video as a reference, you can also upload it here. Or if you maybe you're doing it manually, you don't want AI to create it. Once the AI reads, or should I say inspects and finds out that you've uploaded an, should I say, a video file or an image, it will basically not generate anything. So if you have any content, you can put it here. That's the write-up content. The content, or should I say the write-up of the content, hashtags, you can put it here. AI will definitely generate its own hashtags and put here. If you have any prompt for the AI, it can also put it. You can also put it here, but the AI will definitely generate its own prompt if it's left empty. So basically like this now. So we'll just go ahead. Okay, this is the button to create the content. You click it so the AI can get to work. This is the date. This is the published date. This is the distributing button to just distribute it into immediately after the content has been created by the AI. So basically, I don't want to put anything. I don't want to add any other information. I just want the AI to do its job. So let's just go ahead and see this. So when I click on this button, it will automatically start, should I say, operating in the back end. So we use make.com and N8N for automation systems and for automation, should I say, programming. So when I click on this button now, I'll move to the back end. So I'll show you how this thing works. So because these are the things that we'll be creating for you for your business, we have to create this thing to make sure, or rather to enable this system to work. So let's go ahead, and so I'll show you the back end of this automation system. Okay, so this is the back end. This is make.com. We use make.com for this application system, and it's kind of, if you don't understand it, I'm not sure you're going to understand it. These are everything concerning this system, and this is should I say, the automation that makes the TaskWork social media automation system works. You understand? So diving down into this now is going to take a lot of time, so I wouldn't like to take the whole of this video session on the back end. So this is the back end. So I will just have to now move to the front end to know if the AI has gotten us some information and has created what we need. Actually, let me say it takes like 5 minutes to create the content. It just takes AI 5 minutes. Let's say 5 minutes to create the content. It could be less, it could be 2 minutes, it could be 1 minute. That's depending on the duration of the content. So let's go back to the front end to know what the AI has created. Let's go back to the front end to know what the AI has created. Okay, and also I need to give the AI, should I say, an idea of the kind of content you want to be creating. Should I say, or let's say an example, maybe you're creating an epic content, maybe should I say kids content, maybe animation, animal content, maybe should I say, African traditional contents, maybe European Roman contents, kind of something, any Egyptian contents, maybe anything you want to create. You have to just tell the AI. So let's say write up content, a kid explaining the benefits of social media automation. So let me go ahead again and click to create content. So let's see what it can offer, and let's see what the AI can do. Okay, so here is the content, and the content is now ready. AI has done its work. So this is the prompt. This is the prompt. These are the hashtags. Also, if you can put in your own hashtags. The AI also generates its own personal hashtags, or the AI hashtags. And this is the video that it's created. So we are going to be viewing the video right now. So I'll just click here to view the video. Let me see the video. Just a moment. Just a moment.
With AI,
Alright.
you don't have to spend hours creating posts. TaskWork AI makes your content in seconds. It saves you time,
That's good.
helps your business grow
That's good.
faster, and makes social media fun again.
That's good.
With AI, you don't have to spend hours creating posts.
Let's yeah, that's good. The effects are good. The transitions are good.
And makes social media fun again.
Okay.
TaskWork AI
Okay.
schedules it for you.
Okay.
Even publishes it across all your accounts
Okay.
automatically.
Okay.
And that's how TaskWork AI makes social media super simple.
Alright, that's great. That's good. That's good. That's good. Look at this. Look at this error. That's good. But the error is not noticeable. That's good. That's good. That's good. There are just a few errors, you know. The reason why it showed our TaskWork AI's logo during the should I say during the video editing, it uses Canva for the video editing. So the reason why it shows AI, our TaskWork AI company logo, is because while we are creating the application or the system, we had to should I say train the AI on our business. So we gave the AI everything about our business, all the information about our business registration number, our business documents, frequently asked questions, and logos, and everything about our business. So that's why it used our logo in making the should I say in making the content. So now I think the content is good. The content is good. Just a little bit, just minor, should I say, errors, and it's not noticeable. The errors are not noticeable. So actually, you can set your publishing date anytime you want to. Maybe you don't want to publish it today. Maybe you can just set your publishing date anytime you want. But I want to publish it right now. You understand? I want to publish it right now. So, and also before I publish it, you remember when I told you guys, when you're starting, you have to make sure it's an idea. So when that, if the AI now generates its own content, and it automatically, should I say, label itself as drafted, then when you schedule it, like I told you, maybe you want to schedule it tomorrow or next tomorrow, depending, then it will now automatically move to scheduled. Yeah. Once you schedule it, it automatically move to schedule. Then when you now publish it, once it's now published and you can see it on your social media platforms, it will automatically update itself to published. So I'll go ahead now to publish it. Once I publish it, I'll check my social media platforms. It's gonna take like, let me say, 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute to publish. So it has actually published it. Yeah, it has actually published it, and it has updated the status to published. Like if you remember, I told you to automatically update the status when it has published it. So it has updated it to published. So let me go to my social media platforms to make sure that it did exactly what should I say I wanted. So let me first go to the Instagram. Okay, here it is already. Here it is. TaskWork AI. So you can click on it and voila.
With AI, you don't have to spend hours creating posts. TaskWork AI makes your content in seconds.
Alright.
It saves you time, helps your business grow faster, and makes social media fun again.
Okay.
With AI, you don't have to spend hours.
That's great. Let me go ahead and check Facebook to make sure that it's there. Let me go ahead and check Facebook. Okay, this is our Facebook account.
In seconds, it saves you time, helps your business grow faster
Okay, that's
and
good.
makes social
It's here on
media
Facebook
fun
too
again.
as well.
With AI, you don't have to
It's here
spend
on Facebook
hours
as well, which is actually very, very great.
creating posts. TaskWork AI makes your content in seconds. It saves you time, helps your business grow faster,
Okay, let me
and
go
makes
ahead.
social media fun again.
Thank you very much. We heard you. Let me go ahead and go to LinkedIn. This is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is on my own personal profile because I use my personal profile for it. Yeah, it said, imagine having a smart assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and always creates fresh content for you. That's exactly what TaskWork AI does. You know, this is just on behalf of my business. Actually, when we are creating this for you, we'll just tune it in a way whereby it's only it concentrates on your business and it gives everything about your business. It should be on your business or about your business. So let me go ahead and play this.
Second, it saves you time, helps your business grow faster,
And I
and
think
makes
that's very,
social
very good.
media fun
That's
again.
very good.
TaskWork AI
That's very, very good. It's very easy to use and it doesn't waste time. It's not complicating or complicated. So I think this system is very, very good if you're trying to power up your social media presence for your business. If you're kind of, should I say, schedule tight and you cannot keep up with your social media audience and engaging them with content, this can actually help you. And you can also do this manually. Let me go back to the system. You can also do this manually if you wish. If you want to, maybe you don't want to should I say create with AI, maybe you have a content that you created. As you can see, it has updated itself automatically to published. Maybe you have should I say content you want to create yourself. You can do all this manually. You finish creating the content, you understand, then you can just go ahead. After you finish creating the content, you can go ahead and add new content and upload the content that you have created already. So this brings us to the end of this video, and I hope this finds you, or rather you find this interesting, because this is going to really boost entrepreneurs, boost your social media presence as an entrepreneur, as a business manager. This is really going to really help you. And as I said, you can add multiple accounts if you wish. We just went for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also put WhatsApp if you wish. You can also put YouTube if you wish. Another thing good with this AI is that it automatically updates itself. It automatically does things itself. Like now, once it has been published, it can, shift some to the published tab. So it is very, or rather, it's organizable and looks clean in the eye. This is the progress published, and this is the recently edited. It's already published. Look at it here. As I showed earlier, it's published. And this is the calendar. This is the calendar timeline. Assuming you uploaded 5 contents today, it will all be displayed here. This is the calendar timeline to see all the content you have uploaded according to the dates and time you uploaded it. So this is the end of this video, and I really appreciate you sticking around to watch this video. If you like this video, or if you like the software, just like this video, subscribe and share. And also, if you want something like this to be, should I say, customized for your business, you can hit us up on LinkedIn, you can hit us up on Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp. You can give us a call, or you can go to our website and hit us up on our website too. And yeah, we'll communicate with you immediately. And for now, we'll say bye, and we'll say we wish you the best in your business and your entrepreneurial journey and your business management, should I say, journey. The next video we'll be working on the AI website automation, or rather the AI dynamic website itself, a website that is fully constructed and fully, should I say, equipped with all AI possibilities, both lead generation, both that's generating customers from Google,